So friends, let's take up a quiz on surds. So here are some of the questions, and we have some more questions on surds. We'll look at the solution of all of these now. So let's take the first question. We need to express 144 cube root as mixed surd in its simplest form. So we first prime factorize 144 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we take these 2 together and we write it as 2 cube, and then remaining 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is written as 18, and then cube root of whole of this. So now here if we have cube root of 2 cube, it becomes 2, and then we have cube root of 18, 2 multiplied by cube root of 18. So it is 2 cube root of 18, which becomes the mixed surd of 144 cube root. Let's move to the second question. We need to simplify the expression 4 square root 12 minus square root of 75 minus 7 into square root of 48. So now we first try to bring them into a common format. So we are saying root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 into 3. Similarly, 75 can be written as square root of 25 into 3, and square root of 48 can be written as square root of 16 into 3. Now we know that square root of 4 is 2, square root of 25 is 5, and square root of 16 is 4. So we bring them out and we get 8 root 3 because 4 is already there, and we get square root of 4, which is 2, out. So we get 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus, again 7 is already there, we multiply it with 4, which is 28 root 3. So we get 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 28 root 3. Now since all of them are being multiplied with root 3, it is simple to evaluate this. So it becomes minus 25 root 3. Let's now move on to the third question. We need to rationalize 1 by 2 plus root 3. So we know that the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Now we multiply the numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor. Again, it is important to note here that we need to multiply it with both the numerator and the denominator because we want to keep the value of the expression same. So we get 2 minus root 3 in the numerator divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 in the denominator. So this becomes, in the denominator it becomes 2 square minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, and that is 1. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3. So now let's look at the question 4. If x is equal to root 5 plus root 6, we need to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So the value of x is given to us. So we can simply find out the value of x square, which comes out to be, we use the identity where a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So we get 5 plus 6 plus 2 root 30, which is nothing but 11 plus 2 root 30. So now if we take 1 by x, we have this equal to 1 by root 5 plus root 6. We rationalize 1 by x and we get, again multiplying the numerator and denominator with root 5 minus root 6, we get, in the denominator we get 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. So we get minus into root 5 minus root 6. So it's simple, right? 1 by, we have root 5 plus root 6. To rationalize, we multiply it with root 5 minus root 6 in the numerator and root 5 minus root 6 in the denominator. So in the denominator we get 5 minus 6, which is minus 1, and in the numerator we already had root 5 minus root 6, so we get minus root 5 minus bracket within brackets root 5 minus root 6. So we calculate the value 1 by x square, which again we use the identity a minus b whole square, so we get 5, and again this minus outside, when we take square of this anyways becomes plus, so we have 5 plus 6 minus 2 root 30, so which is nothing but 11 minus 2 root 30. So now we need to find out x square plus 1 by x square, so we add 1, which is 11 plus 2 root 3, which is x square, with this value of 1 by x square, which is 11 minus 2 root 30. So we can cancel out plus 2 root 30 with minus 2 root 30, and we get 22 as the value for x square plus 1 by x square. So let's look at the fifth question. We need to find out the values of x and y if the value of root x plus root y is given to be square root of whole 18 plus 6 root 5. So we are provided with this expression. So we first square the given expression. We get on the left hand side we get x plus y plus 2 root xy, and on the right hand side we get 18 plus 6 root 5. Now we compare the rational part of the equation on the left hand side with the rational part on the right hand side of the equation. So we say x plus y becomes 18, and irrational part, which is 2 root xy, becomes equal to 6 root 5. So we say x plus y is 18 and 2 root xy is 6 root 5, and if we just simplify it we get xy is equal to 45, because this 2 cancels 6 and we get 3 over here. So if we take 3 in the square root, it becomes 9 into 5, which is 45. So root of xy is equal to root of 45. So xy is equal to 45. Now we can find out the value of x minus y whole square by using this identity. X minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So x plus y is 18. So we say 18 square minus 4 into 45, which becomes 144. So x minus y whole square is equal to 144. So x minus y is 12. Now we know the value of x plus y and we know x minus y. So we can solve for x and y using these two equations. So we'll simply, when we add this equation and this equation, we get 2x is equal to 30, which gives us x equal to 15. And if we subtract this from this, we get 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 3. So these are the values of x and y. Now let's look at the last question. So we need to find the value of x square plus xy plus y square if the value of x is given to be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1, and the value of y is given to be root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So we'll first rationalize both x and y, and we get, for rationalizing x, we need to multiply the numerator and divide and denominator with root 3 plus 1, and so we get in the numerator root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by 3 minus 1, which is 2 in the denominator. So solving for the numerator, we get 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2 plus root 3. Similarly, rationalizing y, we get 2 minus root 3. It is just the same approach that we used for x. Now if you find out x plus y, we just add this and this, which is 4, and the value of xy is taking the product of these two, which is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, which is nothing but 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So finding out the value of x square plus xy plus y square is nothing but x plus y whole square minus xy, because x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So if we subtract 1xy from this, we get the required thing, which is x square plus xy plus y square. So now we know the value of x plus y, which is 4. We take the square of that, which is 16, minus xy is 1. So the final value of x square plus xy plus y square is 15. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.